Bertie.
Please come in here. There's somebody in the tree.
Honey, what can I do for you?
East.
Oh, hey, little buddy.
American aid, partner.
Hey, that's good idea. You know that little fella just has a heap of jollies wherever he goes. He's drowning. Grundy, you drowning? Great, sleeping pollywog. That little gal goes smart. Get him, gal. Grab him by the wigwam. I'll race right here for you. Come on, honey. Get a hold of him. Come on over here. Get him out. Here you go. Come on, little buddy. You're choking us. Don't go ahead. Get a hold of him. Take it easy. Grab him out here. Take it out. Wonderful. Let him fight you there. Bartender, we've been fishing. Got ourselves a little injured.
Poor guy. He's going to catch a death of soul.
Oh, no, I don't think
Come on. No, fine. Up to the There we go. Come on, right down the old hatch. There you go. That'll straighten you right out. You'll feel better. Huh? There's a little more. You need a little
bit more.
There you go. Huh?
There you go, fella.
That'll straighten you out, all right?
How's that?
How about a little more?
No, perfectly all right now.
Good.
Oh, well, God.
Looks like everybody went by.
Get a hold of him, Bill. Got him? You got him, Bill? All right, up here we go.
Poor darling, I'm so sorry. Will you stay there and, well, I don't know what we can do, but perhaps we can at least dry it out for you. Dear, honestly.
Now, this tie, come in. This tie here look like a salamander tongue got stepped on. Oh, hi, honey.
Is he all right?
Oh, he's all right. He's just a little wet. You got some dry duds we can put on him?
Surely, yes. I'll get some for
Keep going.
Oh, yeah. Too many tickles for you.
Hey, darling, put this on him.
Oh,
Now,
thank you
get
very
out those
much, ma'am.
wet clothes. And you
I
get yourself
love the
dry.
wet clothes.
You're going to be the reddest
Thank you very
skin out of
much,
this.
Bartley.
Let's go, buddy.
Whoa!
Fred, darling, I had to loan him your terry, soaking wet. This is hers, not his. Oh, and darling, do hurry, because the Russians will be here any minute.
The Russian?
The dancers, darling, the ballet.
Come on, sidekick.
No.
Huh?
Oh, what?
This is my
Kelso, would you mind trying to...
Captain
What are you
Clutter.
doing up there?
I'm not doing anything.
You're wetting
trying
the
to get
bed.
it
I'm not wetting
Yes,
the bed.
you are. It's wet.
Pay
My
attention,
clothes
little
are
buddy.
wetting the
Pay
bed. I
attention,
am
little
not
buddy.
wetting
This is the big chief here.
Oh, big chief speak with fork tongue.
Try to get his...
Pardon, he's a TV, pardon.
Come on,
I'll hold him, boss.
all right.
You get his pants down.
All right.
Listen, you take off.
Don't do it. No.
Come here, lovely man.
I got
love
something
you.
dry over
Come
there.
on, you take over there. Listen, you take off.
I wish
Hey,
you had
you wild man. You take off your coat.
No.
And you
your
take
turn.
off.
No.
No.
Have you got him?
No, wild man. No,
Loosen his
pardon.
belt, Kelso.
You're
Trying to.
squeezing the breath.
Trying out loud. Let me get him off.
Feel him like a...
Get up off the floor.
I got it. Come on. Get your little critter in there.
Get back up. Here now.
Oh,
Here.
you naughty man.
Now, here,
Trying
put
to-
this on.
Why?
Put these on.
Why?
Come on, now, can you handle it? I have to go downstairs.
All right, boss.
I'll take care of it.
I'll handle it.
Why did it? What do you want?
Little sidekick, put these dry clothes on.
All right, what is more? I will put them on and then I'll have
Good
them
idea. I gotta get downstairs before Conchita cools off. You come downstairs with wet clothes on, I'm gonna stomp you and the horse you ride in on.
Good.
You got that?
Tongue buddy, partner buddy.
I'll see you, little buddy.
Oh, you got me right in the pantaloon button.
Adios. Hold on, Conchita, I'm coming.
Adios, partner. Oh, no, yeah. Oh, they are mad, these Americans. They really are. Oh.